Fall is here, and I truly love nothing more than coming home and having dinner already made because I made it earlier in the day in the Crockpot. If you are looking for easy Crockpot at-home meals, this video is for you. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 Crockpot Soup Meal Plan recipes with you. These are all gluten-free, they are family-friendly, they are packed with protein for steady energy and no blood sugar spikes, and they're simple recipes, most importantly, for busy nights, okay? So think about slow cooker chicken and vegetable soup, beef and sweet potato chili, creamy chicken and wild rice soup, turkey and white bean crockpot stew, as well as chicken taco soup. Don't those sound delicious? Now, something as an integrative nutrition health coach and a certified holistic nutritionist that I love to talk to people about is when we have particular busy weeks or busy nights, it's easy sometimes to just run through the fast food, run through the drive-through and get fast food. On occasion, absolutely. But if we are doing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nights a week, it becomes our lifestyle. And let's talk for just a moment about the quality of that fast food. I absolutely know there is a time and place for fast food, but when we are doing it on a regular basis and it is a part of our lifestyle, we are not giving our bodies the nourishment that it needs. A majority of fast food is highly processed food. It's cooked in inflammatory seed oils, and most of it's like, burgers and fries or chicken tenders and fries. We're just not getting the nourishment that our bodies need. In addition, we're not certainly giving our body enough protein, and so then we are hungry and we are wanting more food and we're not feeling satisfied. I also really struggle with kids' meals because most kids' meals, like I said, are chicken tenders and fries, and there's absolutely no nutritional value to that. In addition, there's no fiber. We all need to be having enough fiber. We all need to be having enough protein. And when we're eating fast food on the regular, we're not getting those nutrients and all of that nourishment that our body needs. So if you have a particularly busy night or a busy week coming up, I urge you to grab these 5 recipes and make them at home. You will be so glad, whether you can do it quick in the morning before you head off to work. Maybe you're lucky like I am. I work locally, so I come home at lunch, and if I have a Crockpot meal, I'm able to make it during lunch, and then it is ready when we come home. So grab the recipes, give them a try, and by all means, please share with me in the comments below if you tried any of these recipes and you love them. I am Melissa Betcher from To The Root Health and Wellness, and I help busy families fuel their bodies with real food and balance their energy and feel their best. Please follow me along on my Facebook page. I'm going to put the link in the comments. And until next time, if you like this video or you know of somebody who could benefit from this, share it with them, like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.